Now, there is a T25 little screw that holds the ends on. And actually that's going to not only allow me to pull it apart to make sure that I get all the coverage really well, but is even going to give me something to test on. So I'm going to take this end off, and the part that's exposed that goes into the middle section is what I'm going to touch up first, and I'll show it to you. So if it works or it fails, you'll get to see the process. And I'm going to show you using that Black Restore solution on this piece and see if it works. So the lighting, to the eye is you can see how gray this is. I'm not sure how well it's showing up on the camera right now. And when you look on the inside, so underneath, you can see less unfaded, and definitely on the inside, you can see what the original color was. So you can definitely see how gray this has become. So this solution, again, they talk about using it in well ventilated. It'll stain clothes, it'll stain your hands, everything else. So I want to make sure that I'm well prepared for that. You want to use a little bit on a rag, use it in one solid sweeping motion. So I'm going to get all this outside surface, all the inside surface and underneath, and then I'm going to set it back down. And then you let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then you buff it off with a towel. Let's put a little bit on my applicator pad here. So as you can see, I'm just going to do one nice smooth motion. Now the nice thing about this, like I said, is if this doesn't work out, I can do other options, but I do this section first. Now, because what I don't know is I don't know if it's going to penetrate or stay all that well on metal, but we'll give it a shot. And if it doesn't, that's okay, because I'll just wipe it off and go with other options. All right, so there you go. All right, so it's been about 2 minutes. I'm going to take my black edgeless cloth and just gently wipe. So, like I said, I'm doing this real time, so you can see how it turns out. So that looks pretty good. Again, I'm going to treat it really gently, especially here in the beginning. But at least for a start, that looks much, much better. Now, the question is, since it's metal, I don't know if it'll stay well, right? Since I'm using this a little bit off-label. The very first attempt you see me doing this is I'm using it off-label, right? Because this is for all the plastics and rubber. But I thought I'd give it a shot, because the one thing that I did want to have is I wanted it all to match. So if I could get it all the same color, where if I went and got a can of Krylon, it might be a different color. So, but that does look quite a bit better now, and I'm really hoping that the camera can catch it. But when I put these two side by side, this definitely has more black to it, and this is definitely more gray. So I think it's a positive experiment for now.